guys, here we are at Yas Marina International Circuit, and I'm gonna be doing an Aston Martin GT4 experience, and this is gonna be my first time, I would say, trying a GT4 cars. I've been looking forward to this one for quite a while. The time of filming is March, and it's already like 25 degrees in the evening, which is quite interesting. And yeah, let's see. Let's go. I think we should check out the car that I'm going to be driving.
Something like this before?
Nothing like this.
Nothing like this. Are you using your left foot? This one? Okay. Well, the car has quite a lot of brake pressure. Well then, okay, let's use your left foot and we'll get used to it, okay? The first couple of laps, I don't want you to push too much on the brake, but we'll build our brake pressure through the session.
And I also think I should give you a little introduction in all of this. So, for the first couple of laps, I was just getting used to the car and getting used to the brakes. And yes, pedals do have travel. They're not quite stiff. You can still move them, but they're quite easy to feel. So, that was the first point that I wanted to really address and see what can I do with the brakes. Throttle pedal is kind of okay. You get used to the amount of throttle that you need to put in not to spin, but using higher gears isn't exactly going to do much. So you're always trying to get into that higher gear to prevent the car from sliding. So that was for the first couple of laps. And then in the end, I kind of found a good way to get used to the car, and I found like a good lines, and in the end when to push, when not to push, when just to lift, and when just to, well, eventually coast through the middle section of the circuit. So getting used to the real car is, in my personal opinion, just like getting used to another sim and just getting used to another set of pedals. Of course, G-forces are quite interesting, but the wheel wasn't quite stiff as I expected it to be. So it was actually something that I'm using on my sim racing rig. So the wheel wasn't as stiff as I expected it to be, and everything was, well, in the end, everything was kind of predictable. I was just kind of getting used to the car and getting used to the feel of the car. But that was pretty much it. And then in the end, I made this.
Oh, yeah, no, thank you. Don't go in the front, keep inside. But keep it 30. Once you go inside, 40, go up. Wait, step down, wait. Now there, little bit of throttle, keep it, push, up. This one goes straight here, yes. Off. Straight.
Messed it up, sorry.
No problem. Off. There.
Yeah, too much. Too much there.
Yes. keep it in. Now fair. And full, yes, up. Keep it fair. Big. It's finished now, so slow down. That's good?
Thank you very much.
My name is Khalid and I am a professional race driver working in Yas Marina Circuit. And today I had the opportunity to meet Mikhail. How are you? Good?
I'm doing okay, yeah.
So,
much better.
This is how he looked after a very fast laps in GT4 and Aston Martin. And I was lucky that I went with him and he took me a very fast lap actually. But with people that they go fast, my adrenaline goes high, so I would be happy too. So I was very happy with you. So what about you? How you feel the car, the balancing, the turning?
Like for the
As it's the first time for you here.
Yeah, for the first couple of minutes just getting used to the brakes, and then later, as you told me, like I was turning always too early, but you always told me like push more and then just turn in later.
Yes,
Just
and you was braking late actually.
But
That's impressive.
I honestly thought that I can brake even later without.
In this car, you can brake about 100. Today it was braking about 150.
Yes.
Yes. Following to the experience, you cannot go second gear because it's too high. It's a V8 Mercedes engine with twin turbo. In the turn it will drift because the torque is too high. So for the customer, we like to keep it on a third gear so it will be safe. So as much as you will press, it will be peak little bit to the turbo to be in full. That's why. But I let you go on a second gear in a couple of times and you feel it and you control it. We was drifting it a bit like this one and I you also.
Yeah, it was really nice, but it's also that point where the limit is.
Yes. That's why you need to see time more. Then you will know your limit following to the brake and the car. I believe that if we have the new tires in the car, I think that we will be flying by now.
just going for it.
I was very lucky and I'm very happy that I beat you actually. And I look forward for you to come back again. Maybe we'll do the single seater.
Hopefully.
Yes, the single seater we can go. As for me next time we go very fast.
I'm gonna take him that one.
Yes, we get the footage out of the car because all our cars has a wide range camera inside. I think you put the footage, that you guys, you can see some of the parts where he was flying and sliding a bit. And
an incredible experience.
You are welcome. And we'll look again for the single seater. I would love to go with you on the single seater.
No, do appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll see you soon, guys.
See you soon. That's it at the end. What can I even say? It was just like an absolutely amazing experience, and yeah, I wish to do it. Really wish to do it again very soon, and yeah, incredible, just an incredible experience in the end. Absolutely.